In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know how to get the platform from the official source, install it on desktop or mobile, open it for the first time, and comfortably navigate the navigator panel, charts, and essential drawing tools so you can start exploring the platform with confidence. Begin by heading to the official MetaTrader 5 website. You're looking for the MetaTrader 5 trading platform for forex, stocks, and futures. Visiting the official site helps ensure you're downloading a clean, up-to-date copy with the features and security you expect. If you're on a Windows computer, click the option to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Save the installer, then run it. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Just follow the prompts, agree to the terms, and choose the default installation location unless you have a specific reason to change it. Keeping your system's security software active while you install is a good idea, and when the installer completes, you can launch MetaTrader 5 right away. If you're using a phone or tablet, you can get the app through your device's official store. On iOS, open the App Store. On Android, open Google Play. On Huawei devices, go to App Gallery. You can also use the links on the official MetaTrader 5 site to jump straight to the correct app listing, which helps you avoid lookalike apps. Tap Install, wait for the download to finish, and then open the app. Mobile and desktop share the same core ideas, so the basics you learn here translate well between devices. Once installed, click or tap to open MetaTrader 5. On desktop, one of the first things you'll notice on the left side is the navigator panel. This is your quick access hub for the core parts of the platform. If you don't see it, you can reveal it from the View menu, but in a fresh install, it typically appears by default. Inside the navigator, you'll see sections for accounts, subscriptions, and indicators. Accounts is where your connections live. When you eventually log into a broker-provided account, you'll see it listed here. Subscriptions is where services like signals or other add-ons you follow would appear, giving you a home base for anything you've opted into. Indicators is the library of technical analysis tools you can apply to your charts. Think of this as your toolbox for overlays and oscillators. You can expand each category with a click to explore what's available. Let's talk about working with charts. You can move the chart around and change its size to suit your workspace. On desktop, click and drag inside the chart to pan left or right through price history. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out and drag the edges of the chart window to resize it. If you have multiple charts open, you can rearrange them by dragging their tabs or use the window options to tile or maximize one chart for a closer look. On mobile, drag to pan, pinch to zoom, and rotate your device if you prefer a wider view. To add a chart for a specific symbol, use the options on the left side. In the list of instruments, select the market you want and open its chart. On desktop, double-clicking a symbol or choosing the option to open a chart window will bring it up immediately. If you don't see the instrument you want, expand the categories to reveal more symbols. Once the chart is open, you can change its appearance, switch between bar, candlestick, or line view, and adjust the time frame so the data matches how you prefer to analyze. Finally, enhance your analysis by adding a horizontal line and a trend line. The horizontal line is perfect for marking support and resistance or key price levels you want to watch. Select the horizontal line tool, click once on the chart to place it, then drag it into position. The trend line helps you visualize direction and momentum. Choose the trend line tool, click where the trend begins, and drag to draw along the price action. Right-click a line to open its properties and change color, style, or thickness so your annotations stand out. To tidy up, select any line and press delete, or long press on mobile for quick actions. That's it. You downloaded MetaTrader 5 from the official source, installed it, opened the platform, got acquainted with the navigator, customized your chart layout, added the market you want to view, and drew essential lines to structure your analysis. Pause and practice each area until it feels natural, and you'll be ready to explore more advanced tools with confidence.